Okay guys, everyone wanted a fun, rotated product card layout that grabs attention instantly. Setting all of this up manually would honestly take forever. Well, this section makes it super simple. Today we're adding this collection section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for this section. You'll find it here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for it. Then choose Collection from the results. It will be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. First, let's start with the layout. There are 3 different options to choose from here. Pick whichever fits your section best. And right below that, you can also change the page width. Now let's add a heading, along with the heading color and its other settings. But I won't be changing any of these myself since they already work well for my section. Now let's move on to the product card. First, add an image based on your own preference, and right below that, add a link too. There's also a custom rotation setting you can adjust, along with an icon accessible label field. I'll go ahead and add all the product cards this same way, step by step. There's really quite a bit you can fine-tune per card. Once you've customized everything the way you like, just hit save and the section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.